Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can crop images into shapes using Canva mobile. So in here, I've already opened the Canva apps on my phone and I've already added a picture. And to change or to crop the image into shapes, what you need to do is click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner and then go to elements, and in here find the frame section. Okay, this one, click on see all, and in here you'll see a bunch of shapes or flowers if you want to shape it into flowers, blob, retro, letters, numbers, and others. So you can just choose which shape or that you want to crop the image into. For example, I'm going to just use the circle, the basic one. Click on the frame. So what you need to do is click on the image that you add before and drag it into the frame. So I'm going to drag it like this until the image seen on the circle, and let go, and that's it. The image will be cropped into shape. If you want to add it more, you can just double click on the image and you can adjust the position like this. You can also make it large, zoom in like that, and click on done. So that's all for me. That's how you can crop image into shape in Canva mobile. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.